Alrighty, Ted, here's your 427 small block Ford. Your description is a combination. Got a set of our CNC heads on it. Always is Borla, all polished out, beautiful setup. Shelby valve covers, built specialty front end, beautiful engine. Custom grind hydraulic roller, fuel management, Terminator X, front suck oil pan. We'll go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Already 3,600, 450 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 536, peaks horsepower 582, rated at 575. Got a front end on it, so it runs really good. That's our new head and the Borla combination. So we'll pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean, and I'll show you a couple other things. In your seat of your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. It's got your engine build specs, dyno video, a bunch of tech stuff. Highly recommend watching it. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have the engine number on it, some other specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. If you've got any questions, flip it over. It's got a UR code on it. Hover over that, click on it, take you to our site. Some more tech stuff. So I would recommend watching all this. It's good information. Have a great day.